When you're preparing to plant your pepper and chili plants, the right ingredients in the planting hole can make all the difference. These plants are known for being a bit particular about their growing conditions, so providing them with the best possible start can lead to a more abundant and healthier harvest. Here's what to add before planting to give your peppers and chilies a solid foundation for growth. First, kitchen waste and worm castings. This is a fantastic addition because it provides a rich source of organic matter that peppers and chilies absolutely love. Kitchen waste, particularly uncooked vegetable scraps like peels, cores, and stems, can break down over time and provide essential nutrients to the soil. The added benefit here is that it's an excellent way to recycle what would otherwise go to waste, helping you reduce your environmental footprint. As this waste decomposes, it enriches the soil, improving its structure and moisture retention capabilities. This is especially important for peppers and chilies, which thrive in well-drained soil, but also need consistent moisture. Worm castings, on the other hand, are like the ultimate fertilizer. Packed with nutrients, they improve soil aeration, enhance water retention, and promote healthy root development. Worm castings also boost the microbial activity in the soil, which benefits the plants in a variety of ways, including better nutrient absorption and protection against harmful pathogens. Next, blood meal is a highly beneficial addition. This nitrogen-rich fertilizer is derived from dried animal blood, and it provides a slow-release source of nitrogen that peppers and chilies can use to grow lush, green foliage. Nitrogen is crucial for plant growth, particularly for leafy plants, as it helps build proteins and chlorophyll, which are essential for photosynthesis. When peppers and chilies have access to this nutrient in a steady, controlled release form, they can focus on building a strong root system and healthy, vibrant leaves. However, it's important to be mindful of the amount you use. While peppers and chilies do require nitrogen, too much can lead to excessive leafy growth at the expense of fruit production. Therefore, blood meal should be used in moderation to ensure a good balance of nutrients that supports both vegetative growth and fruiting. Finally, a mixture of compost and wood ash rounds out the perfect planting hole. Compost, a well-known champion in the gardening world, provides a steady supply of nutrients while improving soil texture. It enhances soil fertility, aids in moisture retention, and supports beneficial microorganisms that are vital for plant health. When peppers and chilies have compost in their root zone, they benefit from a steady, natural nutrient source that helps with everything from root development to fruiting. Additionally, compost helps to stabilize the pH of the soil, making it more consistent and better suited for peppers and chilies, which prefer slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Wood ash is a great addition, especially if your soil tends to be too acidic. The alkaline nature of wood ash can help balance pH levels, making the soil less acidic and more suitable for peppers and chilies. In addition to regulating pH, wood ash contains potassium, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that support strong cell walls, help with water uptake, and improve the overall resilience of the plant. Wood ash also provides some trace elements that are essential for plant growth. While wood ash is a great tool for balancing soil acidity and supplying important minerals, it should be used sparingly because too much can make the soil too alkaline. The goal is to provide just enough to enhance nutrient availability without disturbing the delicate pH balance that peppers and chilies need. This thoughtful combination of organic materials will provide your peppers and chilies with the necessary nutrients and soil conditions to thrive throughout their growing season. These plants will have a solid foundation from the very beginning, and you'll likely notice a more robust and abundant crop as they grow. Now that your peppers and chilies are planted in a well-prepared hole with these beneficial additives, you're giving them the best start possible. With healthy, balanced soil, you're setting the stage for a strong plant that produces bountiful, flavorful peppers and chilies. As they grow, they'll have all the nutrients they need to develop strong roots, healthy leaves, and the vibrant fruits that we all crave. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.